I am today. I am tomorrow. I was yesterday. I shall always be eternal, sleeping, never awake.
People seem to think that people with Asperger's like me have no imagination. That's total bullcrap. I mean, I don't know anyone with Asperger's who doesn't have an imagination. Everyone I know has an imagination, and to me it's kind of the opposite. I think we have more imagination than anyone else.
If you weren't imaginative, how would you do anything like this? How would a group of people with Asperger's get together and make a film on it if you didn't have imagination, if you didn't know what you were doing? Well, as you should say, not know what you're doing and just go with the flow.
If I first meet you, I'm usually shy. But then once I get to know you, I'm normal. And then I get goofy. Unless those people are goofy, then I start acting goofy or normal. Dog!
Have you ever wondered why people say, "Oh, what's up, mate?" I mean, really, it's always either two things, the ceiling or the sky. What else?
A lot of people are treated very differently. Like, sometimes we're treated like retards. I mean, we're just as smart as anyone else, really.
Am I invisible? Just not who you wanted to see. Am I a specter? Just a shadow on the wall, on the wall.
Everyone says that people with Asperger's don't pick up on the social situations, on facial expressions. They say we don't have facial expressions. Well, really, does it look like I lack facial expressions? We're all different. Everyone's different.
It's been about showing people, look, the individuality of people with Asperger's and everything that our world, how we perceive it, and not the stereotypical, like, Rain Man. I am not Rain Man or woman.
I'm an excellent driver. Dad lets me drive slow in the driveway.
I don't think in pictures, and I don't think in words either. I think in patterns. And because of that, I'm pretty good with music.
Light the lights, fan the flame, bring on the wind, bring on the fire, bring on the music.
Yep. I'm just not used to doing bass on this song. Their attitudes. Society needs to be more open-minded. Those who are narrow-minded need to be less selfish and bigoted. Thinking their way is the only way to think.
Sometimes it's just immensely hard to fit into anywhere. You just find that you're closed in a box and you can't get out. You can't find the key. You can't ever escape from that box. Just separated from the rest of the world with a film of indifference.
There are different times when I connect with everyone, like talk to them and that. But then there are other times when I just need to be alone because I don't understand. It's sort of like Romany said, you feel like you're a box inside and there's no key. But for me, it feels like my friends had the key and unlocked it. Like different doors get unlocked by different friends. And it helps me along.
When my head goes into an overload, all my senses go through the roof, so basically I hear everything like twice as sensitive as a normal person. I can smell everything. Touching everything is basically really painful. I can't think, so basically I'm panicking. I have basically an anxiety attack, and my brain basically overloads and I collapse. I fall on the ground and I can't move. I basically paralyze.
All these sounds coming from different places, you just can't concentrate on one thing. I can't pinpoint my mind to the objective of the goal of what I need to do.
Eyes are the window to the soul, but I don't want anyone to have a window into my soul.
Okay. I have never been to America. That's part one. If I listen to something too long, I can sometimes mimic the language. That's two. There we go.
Since when does life make sense? Since when does Since when does the world stop turning?
Sometimes it all gets a bit much. The way I escape from that is just basically to retreat into my subconscious where it's safe and I can sort of reprogram so I can start again another time.
In my fantasy worlds, I just use reality as a basis. Reality is just the first level, and then from there I take it further.
When I play games, it's basically my version of stimming. I relax, my heart rate goes down, and I basically go in my own little world. I essentially visualize myself as the character. For example, if I was playing Pac-Man, I visualize myself as a fat little round guy stealing all these candies stealing all these lollies from ghosts.